Welcome back, and if it's your first time watching, thanks for taking the time to visit Solgal's Adventures.
Today we're in Newcastle celebrating Tony's birthday. We've been wanting to visit 360 for a while now and decided to hit it up for this special occasion.
Situated on the 26th floor of Hadrian's Tower, the tallest building in Newcastle, 360 is the epitome of luxury drinking in the heart of the city with unrivaled views.
Upon entering Hadrian's Tower, you're greeted with a lift with only one option for floor 26.
Impeccable service, opulent surroundings and breathtaking views create an unforgettable experience perfect for any occasion. And I'm not going to lie, those Sunday's dinners from the restaurant smelled so good. However, we were saving ourselves for another venue that we were waiting to check out for a while. We decided to unwind in the piano lounge with a cocktail. Bex chose the tropical mango while I settled for the after eight.
We moved to the bar to admire the amazing views before venturing on to our next stop, a speakeasy hidden away beneath the hustle of Newcastle's cloth market, regarded as one of the best cocktail bars in Newcastle.
Mother Mercy is an independent award-winning group of cocktail bars hidden around the northeast, offering some of the best cocktails in the UK. After much deliberating due to the vast amount of cocktails on offer, Bex went for the Enchantress while I opted for the El Diablo.
Me so horny.
After wrapping up here, we visited all bar one before stumbling to a place we've wanted to try for a while, Rio Steakhouse on the quayside.
Situated on the Newcastle quayside, offering great views of the River Tyne and an amazing Brazilian culinary experience, Rio Steakhouse is a must for any meat lover.
Your experience begins at the unlimited self-serve salad bar, which offers a treasure trove of delights to act as an appetizer or complement what's coming.
Various meats are brought right to your table, controlled by a double-sided card. Choose green for a parade of flavours or red to pause for a breather. Meats are served to your taste, accompanied by Brazilian sides for the ultimate churrasco experience. All of the meats were absolutely fantastic, however, Bex wasn't a fan of the chicken heart. As always, thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and especially subscribe.